Hello and welcome to Okuma's How-To. My name is Jochen Ondra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lasers. And today I'm going to show you how to make a new model for our collision avoidance system. Collision avoidance system is based on the digital twin of the machine to prevent collisions in any time during machining. And to have a digital twin, we need to model all the components which we have in the real machine. For the next job, I'm going to create this jaw, which I'm going to use in the machine. To create the model, we have our easy modeling function on board of the control. Today I want to make a fixture, as a jaw is a part of the fixture, and I create a jaw. I get this table where I can input my values, and first I need the jaw size L1, which I'm going to measure for my jaw. It's 85 millimeters. It's already preset. The length of the jaw is 135 millimeters, and the clamping depth is 33 millimeters. Jaw size D3 is 118 millimeters. And we're going to clamp on a diameter of 160, which is the diameter of my workpiece. The start angle is already preset, and the width of the jaw is also already correct with 60 millimeters, and we're going to use 3 jaws on our chuck. Here now we have already a predefined simple model. As we can see, it still looks a little bit different than the shape we have here. Therefore, I can still edit the shape. I'm going to insert one line, and I will form the steps as it is here on the real jaw. To modify the shape, I'm going to insert one line. I stay in set on 33, and in the length it's 198 minus 80 millimeters, which gives us the next point here. I insert another line, which is 35 millimeter deeper than the original point, and which is 60 millimeter from the end of the jaw. And I just simply adjust the other point, and now I create the set of jaws which looks exactly like our original jaw which we're going to use in the machine. After that, I'm going to save this file, and I name it as the jaw is named is SZ8J 38 minus 2, and it's a clamping diameter 160. And now I have stored it in my library and can use it for any further jobs I have wherever I'm going to use these jaws. Thanks for watching our video. Check our other videos on our channels. If you need further information or you have questions, please contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.